See, in case of pollution and problem to the environment, it affects the whole mankind. Okay, so there should be some redressal mechanism. That is why now people are filing lot of PILs, that is public interest litigation in the court of law for the protection of environment. Even this Taj Mahal, famous Taj Mahal case also was a PL was found filed by an advocate. Okay, and that is how he became famous. And now lot of public interest litigations are filed in case the environment is being damaged by any industry or group of industries. So environmental regulation is evolved to guard our surroundings as a whole, our earth, our health and the earth's assets. The presence of a regulations to guard air, water, soil, etc. does no longer necessarily suggest that the hassle is addressed. We have Air Act, Water Act and all, but doesn't mean that the entire problem is solved. For a successful environmental rules to be implemented, there has to be a powerful corporation to gather relevant data, procedure it and bypass it on a regulation enforcement organization. So we should have an organization which collects the data and can study the data and pass it on to the enforcement organizations like state government and central government through State Pollution Control Board and Central Pollution Control Board. If the law or rule is broken through an individual or institution, this needs to be punished via legal process. Okay, if somebody is violating the law, Air Act, Water Act, Wildlife Conservation Act, Forest Conservation Act, then they should be punished, and the only way of punishing is through legal procedure. You have to go to the court. The interested involved individual should file a public interest litigation for the protection of the surroundings. People need to keep an eye and inform the concerned to see that actions are taken against the offenders. So, lot of interest is now growing in the environmental protection by the society, and we have to file PILs, public interest litigations, in the court of law, and the cases are being held and dealt based on the various acts. Infringement of, say, he is not following the Forest Conservation Act, means he will be taken under that act. If he is discharging lot of dirty water into the surroundings or water streams, then it will be covered under the Water Act. And similarly the case for Air Act also. If lot of smoke and all is pollutants are thrown through the chimney, then they will be taken under the Air Act. Okay, so these are the ways in which the environmental regulations are implemented. Thank you.